Factor review, basic factor review. Always, when you are factoring, try to take something out. Try to find the greatest common factor. What number goes into 4, 8, 12? 2 goes in, but that's not the biggest. 4. Take a 4 out. They all have 1x. They do not all have x squared. They all have 1y. That's called the greatest common factor. See what happens. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I took 1x away, I have 1 left. Took 1y away and it's gone. Just left with x. Plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. Took that x away. Y squared, took 1 away, left with y. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Took 1x away, it's x squared. Took 1y away, y squared. Quick review of greatest common factor. Other basics that you have to know for pre-calculus. Have to know. Very basic, x squared minus 5x minus 14. You have to know how to do this.
Pardon the interruption. Boys and girls swim team meeting in A101 is Tuesday, the 18th of August, right after school.
You wanted to hear that announcement, didn't you? It's a good one. It's a good one. You got to know how to do this. It is the simple x game. What multiplies is going to be negative 14. Combines is going to be negative 5, negative 7, positive 2, x minus 7, x and a positive 2. You got to know that setup. Most people know how to do that. Most people don't have a problem. Then we get the complicated x. Complicated x game. If I throw a number in front, like 4x squared minus 11x minus 3, complex x game. Since I have a number in front, I need to multiply by the last one. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Bring down the negative 11 as always, negative 11. I will have to divide by 4. Will have to divide by 4. Well, multiply is going to be negative 12, combines is going to be negative 11, negative 12, positive 1. I cannot simplify this. 1 parenthesis is 4x plus 1. Other parenthesis, I have to divide both by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. Negative 3. So my other parenthesis is x minus 3. That is the complicated x, and you will have lots of those to do. The last basic one is a square minus a square. If I have a square minus a square, it makes my life easy when I get to complicated things. This one is a basic, x squared minus 25. That's a perfect square. That's a minus sign. That's a perfect square. So the pattern is x minus 5, x plus 5. Square root of x squared, square root of x squared, square root of 25, square root of 25. One's a minus, one's a plus. I'll give you a reason why knowing a square minus a square is when you get to something complicated. Something complicated like 81 x squared minus 16. Perfect square, minus sign, perfect square. So the pattern tells me it's going to be 9x minus 4 9x plus 4. And this is a special one. Extra bonus factoring. Can't factor this. Oh, can't factor that either. Never mind. That's a perfect square, but this is not a perfect square, so I am done. That's where knowing a square minus a square is handy.